Hey guys, it's your girl Bree. What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Boxycharm video. This one is on their box Fresh Start, which I think is totally appropriate considering we are in a fresh new year. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to your girl Bree and show her some love so you guys can see more videos like this. And if you guys are interested in learning what products I got this month, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, this is another Boxycharm video. This is the theme Fresh Start. The first product I'm going to be going in with is Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. Looks like this. Let's open her up. Oh, it's by Seraphine Botanicals. It's Boost Hydration and Glow. It's basically a lip mask with shea butter, apricot, jojoba, and rosehip oils that keep lips chaps free, soothed, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. This smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop her on because you know your girl's lips are a little chapped right now. It's, you know, winter, it's dry, so pop her on. You guys, this smells so good and it feels so good too. I'm gonna leave her on while I do a look today. Just stay nice and hydrated. This is worth $25. Then the next product I'm gonna go in with is from Pharmacy, which I love this brand. And this is their oil-free gel moisturizer with moringa and papaya. An oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. It's vegan, cruelty-free, contains hyaluronic acid, and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. That sounds awesome. And this is $38. This smells also amazing. I got some good skincare in this one, guys. So I don't have anything on my face besides I did my brows, and then I did an eye primer. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer, and I went ahead and primed my eyes with that, but then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe. And now I'm just gonna put this all over my face just to give me some hydration as a base before I apply some makeup. That is honestly exactly what my skin needed, a drink of water. Just like quenched it right up. You know what this smells like? Have you guys ever had sleepy tea? Well, if you have, there's a flavor called lemon zinger, and that is what this little baby smells like. Exactly the same thing. Next product, unfortunately I'm so sad about this one. This is by Pure. This is their 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer. It's a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with SPF 20. And that's part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra natural looking complexion. This is $35. Unfortunately, this color, you guys, is so like way too dark for me, and I'm not going to be using it today in the tutorial. You guys can see how dark it is. That's not gonna go good on me at all. So I'm not going to be using this product today, unfortunately. Let's go ahead and move on to the next product, which we are going to be creating a look with, and this is Violet Voss Olive You Forever. It's a cute name. I'm assuming it's because they have some olive greens in here, which they do because I already checked the other day. I did some swatches. This is what she looks like from the outside. Open her up, and this is what she looks like. Beautiful color. Here, they're all very soft as well. They feel very nice. This is the palette that was designed with universally flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas, from creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils. Cheap endless eyeshadow looks from a modern soft sultry to a seductive olive smoky that will leave them green with envy. Super cute. And this is for $34. So $34, and you get how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 shades. I'd say that's pretty good. And they feel really nice as well. Oh yeah, and don't mind my ghetto nails. I need to get them done. Try not to be distracted by them. Sorry about that. So the first shade I'm going to pick up on Mountain Sony Kashik, a rounded crease brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Wishful, this one. How is everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. I've just been chilling. Supposed to be going to Vegas this weekend. It's my girlfriend's birthday, so I'm excited about that. Should be fun. The last Vegas trip I went on was super fun. It was a girls trip. So, and this one should be just as fun, if not more fun. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go in with Infatuated. Okay, so now that I have that color laid down, I'm gonna go in with Lovebird. And I'm just gonna lay that down on a flat brush. Oh yes, that's pretty. Tapping slowly. Okay, now I'm gonna do a wing liner, and I'm gonna use Wet n Wild. This is their Mega Liner. So now I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line. I'm gonna dive into this color right here, which is Olive Glow. I'm gonna pick this up on a Morphe M432. I'm going to apply some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, off camera I added some lashes. These are House of Lashes in the style Ethereal Mini. I also went ahead and popped on a little inner corner highlight from the palette. It's called Major Spotlight. I'm going to mix ColourPop's Pretty Fresh and then the Fenty Beauty Pro Matte. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these just because I think that this one's a little bit too matte for me. This would be the exact amount of hydration that I need considering it has hyaluronic acid in it. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these together because I think this is a beautiful foundation, but it can really like matte me out, you know? I'm like, I don't need to be that matte. Maybe back in the day in high school, but not so much anymore. I love mixing. I feel like a true artist when I'm mixing products. It's so much more fun. And we're just gonna bounce this. I love testing out different finishes. That way you can really find your perfect match in foundations. For concealer, I'm also going to be doing some mixing today. I'm be going in with Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue and then the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Camo Concealer. So I'm coming up on my year anniversary for YouTube. I'm excited about that. I have a couple ideas for you guys. So that should be fun. What else is going on? Valentine's Day is coming up. Fun stuff. For Valentine's Day, I'm thinking of something along the lines of something soft and pretty. I feel like that's very fitting for Valentine's Day. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Fit Me Powder. This is in light medium and just set my whole face. I'm gonna set her and forget her. That's what everybody says, huh? Set her and forget her. What were you forgetting though? I don't get it. Okay, let's bronze this face a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Glamour Bronze, my favorite bronze. Yes, now I'm nice and bronze. I wish I could get a real bronze, you know, from like a vacay or something, but that seems a little far-fetched right now. I wonder if the pool will be open in Vegas. For blush, I got a new one, like I told you guys, I promised, and I came through. Your girl came through, okay? I went and got a little drugstore from Milani. You can't go wrong with the Milani blush. They're awesome. This is what she looks like. This is in the shade Luminoso, and this is their baked powder blush. Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Getter. You can use this brush as highlight. setting spray, I'm gonna go in with good old-fashioned Morphe, one of my faves. I love the aerosol effect, the aerosol spray effect. Is that what it's called? And I love the smell of it too. So I'm gonna go in with the Appeal Gel Liner in Exposed. I love how creamy this is. The last item in the box is Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss in the shade Unprofessional. This is a sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business and that your business is none of theirs. Ooh, sassy, I like that. HR is already sweating. Damn, who doesn't love a controversy? But yeah, so this is what she looks like. This is for $18. I'm only gonna put a little bit of this on just because I feel like it is a very like hot pink kind of shade. To me it's hot pink, but they say it's hot peach. So I'm gonna pop a little bit on, not a lot. I'm gonna just put it in the center a little bit. That's a pretty gloss. That is a very pretty shade. I definitely feel like I got some island vibes going on with this makeup look. I love the way it turned out. I think it's so pretty. Definitely reminds me of summer. I mean, it kind of just happened. I wasn't really going for it, but it happened and I'm here for it. So let's go over the items in the box really quick. Let's go ahead and calculate some stuff real quick, shall we? First item was the palette, which was $34. Pharmacy, which was $38. The tinted moisturizer, which I didn't use because it was too dark for me, $35. The glow mask was $25, and the lip gloss was $18. So a total of this month's box is $150, and I paid $25 for it. I mean, I really loved most of the items in the box. The only one I didn't really get to try out was the Pure because, you know, it's too dark for me. But I mean, other than that, I absolutely loved all the products in my box. Please let me know if you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, let me know which item in the box was your guys' favorite, or maybe your least favorite that you didn't want to try. Please let me know down in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Did my little candle go out? It's 12, right? Yeah. This is for 25. It's fresh start. Damn it.